They're not all secretly Scrooge McDuck swimming in a vault of cash, although some might be. The truth is, many people are turning to investing to build their financial future. But for beginners, the world of investing can seem complex and intimidating. There are all sorts of investment platforms out there, each with its own features and requirements. Today, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple, a popular platform in Canada. We'll crack open the vault and see what it takes to get started with Wealthsimple. First things first, is Wealthsimple right for you? Maybe you're a college grad with a few bucks saved up, or perhaps you're a seasoned professional looking to diversify your portfolio. Wealthsimple caters to a broad range of investors, but there are a few key requirements to opening an account. Canadian citizenship or residency, the cornerstone of Wealthsimple. Unlike some investment platforms, Wealthsimple is strictly for our friends north of the border. If you're a Canadian citizen, resident, or hold a valid Canadian visa, you're in luck. This residency requirement is in place because Wealthsimple adheres to Canadian regulations. Age not too young, not too old, but mostly not too young. There's no senior discount here, but Wealthsimple does have a minimum age requirement. The exact age depends on your province or territory. In most of Canada, you'll need to be at least 18 years old to invest. Some provinces, like Alberta and Manitoba, bump it up to 19. Your social insurance number is the key to unlocking your investment journey. This one might seem obvious, but you'll need a valid social insurance number, SIN, to open a Wealthsimple account. The SIN is a key piece of identification used by the Canadian government. Think of it like your financial fingerprint. A Canadian address proof of your place in the Great White North. Since Wealthsimple is a Canadian platform, they need to verify you're actually residing in the country. For that, you'll need to provide a valid Canadian residential address. Phone number, stay connected for verification. We all hate those pesky robocalls, but for security purposes, Wealthsimple will require a valid phone number. This might be used for two-factor authentication or other verification steps. Beyond the basics, gearing up for Wealthsimple. These are the core requirements for opening a Wealthsimple account, but there are a few other things to consider. Investment knowledge not mandatory, but helpful. While Wealthsimple offers educational resources and managed investing options, having a basic understanding of investing goes a long way. Familiarize yourself with different investment types, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Minimum investment, a small seed to grow your wealth. There's no minimum investment required to open a Wealthsimple account, but keep in mind that transaction fees might apply for smaller investments. Tax implications, understanding Uncle Sam or Canada Revenue Agency. Remember, there will be tax implications on any investment gains you make. Make sure you understand the tax laws and how they apply to you. Wealthsimple, a stepping stone on your investment journey. Wealthsimple offers a user-friendly platform and a variety of investment options, making it a popular choice for Canadians, especially beginners. If you meet the eligibility requirements and are interested in taking control of your financial future, Wealthsimple might be a great place to start. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be considered financial advice. Do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.